I have strayed so far from you. I've become so lazy and subtle. I've lost sight of your face. I've chosen to misguide even while in the race. I remember when I was so addicted to your presence. I was full of consistency and perseverance. When I held the horns of the altar, your words were the only thing I could ever alter. Those times where I held my consecration so close to my chest, I was so focused on righteousness. Your assurance was made a living to rest, but I called for sleep, not like any consequence. Abiding was like a delicious delicacy. It seemed so delicate, but I refused to take it. I was so focused, I chose to concentrate. Service was my watchword, and it is not my own debate. I remember those times I was hungry for more. Fasting was my thing, I did not for more. Those times when my lips were filled with your words, but right now it's just a sigh and a recording. But I have strayed so far, and even the simplest mind to ask how far. I have betrayed the call of God upon my life with so many iniquities and lies. My body used to be on my body, but right now this pleasure is what I can control. I can't even shut my remote. The devil came to me and found everything we own. We found cheating lies, bitterness, lies, confusion, frustration, emptiness, wickedness, but please, hear my plea. I hope I'm bleed. For me you shouldn't flee. I know you too me you can see. I need you back to bat my back, mend my broken heart, cause I'm still your craft. Don't let go of your grip on me, of iniquities. I'm tired and sick, just like Paul. I can't do anything to break until you I want to stick. So let's get back to the first one. Remember the first time I met you, these pimples, the excitement, the butterflies in my belly, but right now they seem to be pumping. I want to go back to the first one, because my loneliness issues only you can solve. Without you on this journey to be so rough, I'm drowning in this ocean, we need to solve. Please don't let go of your people alone. I know I may not be better than the rest. I may not be the best, but take my hand and hold it so tight, help me to dwell, cause you are my light. Help my eyes to see the light, help my heart to be intertwined, help my body to comply, cause you love me and I don't worry. God bless you.